If we speak about functions, we need to mention positional arguments and keyword arguments. So what does it mean? I would create a new function. We'll call it, for example, greet, something very simple, okay? And the greet, there will be two parameters, name and location, okay? So don't forget that the function needs to start with def, and here we have a colon, and we will print something. For example, some f string like hello, my name is name dot I like, and I will put here a hobby, okay? No location, hobby. I like hobby, something, for example, swimming, reading, and so on, okay? So now, here we have a function with two parameters, name and the hobby. Name will be, hello, my name is something, I like hobby, something. So I will use it. I will call it like this, greet, and now the greet function needs two things, name and hobby. So name will be, for example, my name, David, and hobby, for example, cooking. So I will run it to see if it is okay. Okay, hello, my name is David, I like cooking. Perfect. That's exactly what we needed. And now be careful, because here name and hobby, we call it parameters, but here David and cooking, so it means exact values, we call it arguments. Okay, parameters, arguments. So I will call it the function one more time, like Harry. Harry is the name, and hobby will be swimming, for example. I will run it, and we can see, hello, my name is David, I like cooking. Hello, my name is Harry, I like swimming. Perfect. Here you have to be careful, because here we speak about positional arguments. What does it mean? How the Python knows that David is a name and cooking is a hobby? Because it's based on position. We can see that first is name and the second is hobby. So the David will be name because David is first and name is first. Cooking is the second and hobby is the second. Okay, the same is here. So we have arguments Harry and swimming, and the Harry is the name because Harry is the first on the first position, and name is on the first position. Hobby has the second position, so swimming has to be hobby. Okay, so it means it will go like this. For example, reading, and you store Jane here, it will not work properly. So what does it mean? It means, hello, my name is reading, I like Jane. Okay, and it doesn't make sense. Hello, my name is reading, right? So now again, reading is a name in this case, and Jane is a hobby. Okay, the Python doesn't know that this is the name and this is the hobby. Okay, it's just for string for the Python, and this is just string as well, and nothing special there. Okay, so and we call this positional arguments because it's based on position. It has to be in the same order like parameters. I mean, the arguments has to be in the same order like parameters. But here, if you would like to call function like this, greet, at first, for some reason, you need to write reading first, it means hobby, and Jane the second. You can use keyword arguments. What does it mean? These are positional, and here you can use a keyword argument. So it means we have keyword name and hobby, and you can exactly say, okay, reading is a hobby, okay, and Jane is a name. So if you write it like this, it's called keywords argument. But here, if I will run it, it goes perfectly. Hello, my name is Jen, I like reading. Okay, so positional arguments, keyword arguments, and in keyword arguments there is you don't have to take care about order, because if the hobby will be first, it's absolutely okay, and name is the second, because we or Python take care about it by name. Okay, by the name of the parameter hobby, and this is name. Okay, so positional arguments and keyword arguments.